Peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? Man, can you believe it? We made it. To day 7 of this dry fast. It's been a week since we had food and water. Man, oh man, oh man. I got something to tell y'all. Before we get in there, I gotta let y'all know, if you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can do that by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration. Or you can just DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. We post there on a regular. If you're not following us there, make sure to go do that. I don't know why you're not. Make sure to go follow us there. We've been keeping you updated in actual time of what the dry fast is. Because this right here is previously recorded. Psh. Hey, but look though. I was gonna say this. We also got a course too, a business course. You guys want to start a business, you guys don't have one. Or if you guys do have one and you further want to enhance it, we got information in the description box below. You dig what I'm saying? I was gonna say, you guys want to get a one-of-a-kind artwork, you can get that at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Go ahead and shop with us. But you seen us crafted those pieces and whatnot. We got those pieces we even crafted on YouTube. We show y'all that. And also too, we got our one-of-a-kind apparel, hats, caps, snapbacks, socks, hoodies at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Go ahead and get with us. Support those that support you. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and share. Alright, now let's get on to this video. Man, oh freaking man. I'm over here dry fast. Y'all wonder like why he got this, what's that around your neck? You got that rag around your neck. It's cold water around my neck. Don't nobody ever tell you how freaking hot you get during the dry fast. I'm in Michigan, nigga. I'm in Michigan. It's cold here. Majority of the time. Majority of the sequence. So you can't just be like, you live in a hot... No, nigga. I'm in a cold place. And I'm freaking hot. I'm getting hot. My body is hot. I've been having to take cold showers because of this. Huh? Huh? Nigga, I've been having to take cold showers. I don't ever take cold showers. I've been taking hot ones a little bit, but I've been taking cold ones. Just to keep my body cool. You know how freaking hot it is? Fact is that too, by the way, we're not actually talking it. That's how tired I am. We're not just talking it, we actually living it. You dig? American pride. Alright. Man, oh freaking man. I got these towels cold. I'm rubbing it across my face. I'm after the refill. Pour a little bit on my head. Man, oh man. Think about going out. I don't know. I got more energy than I do have now because earlier I didn't have that much energy. The fast, it comes in and out. I've been sleeping in and out. Sometimes I didn't want to sleep, but my body was like, you gonna sleep, nigga. So, hey, that's what it was. And I did want to go out earlier, but it was raining hard, like slush. Like, oh, dang near this far away from slush. It was just so freaking cold. And it was, once it stopped, you think you get ready to go out, and it starts back up again. I'm just like, frick. Yeah, I got some things that came in the mail today. Got some unsweetened applesauce. Heavy that. Got some more, something else too. I'm not sure if I mentioned. I think I did. Oh, I did, yeah. I got a dehydrator that came in today. Still packaged. I got my dehydrated and I cannot eat. I got my unsweetened applesauce and I cannot eat. I got my a pound of dried mango fruit and I cannot eat. I got 5 pounds of banana chips and I cannot eat. I got dried banana, whole dried banana, and I cannot eat. I'm not really tripping. One of the things I did have strong temptations for, that was for drinking. Man, I swear I was about to chug me some black tea, sweetened with some lime in it, agave, put in the pitch, put in a liter. Man, you can't tell me, oh, I was gonna chug some coconut milk, nigga. And if it wasn't sweet enough, I'll put some agave in it, some cinnamon. I don't even care if it was cold. Cause I put some ice cubes in that motherfucking thing. I don't go fruit. Nigga, I was about to drink them. Nigga don't even know. Nigga don't even know. And if it bang, I'm about to buy some more. I'm about to start making my own coconut milk. Ooh. Ooh. Niggas don't even know. I'm glad to have more energy now when I'm filming this. Because I was on my story, man. I was having some painful growth pains. I felt like I was in 12 years young, in the 7th grade, tossing and turning in the bed. My knees, I kept having to move, and I'm sitting there moaning, because of the pain. It's in my feet, in my legs, my toes. I'm like, dang. And you know what they say, you stop growing too at a certain age. It don't make sense to me. Everything in the body is connected, you know that, right? Your hair grow. Your hair keep growing. Why do everything else in your body stop growing? Is the hair not the same as an organ? You ever see somebody's nose, they get bigger? Is their face get bigger? Huh? Their body get bigger. I don't know. People not treating themselves right. I done had about like 3 of the same teeth before. All because my a doctor's opinion when I was a baby about saying that my tooth wasn't growing in, and my biological mother said, that is a tooth. And he said, no, it's not. So being that abusive parent my mother was, and narcissists, they love to be right. She goes and pulls a tooth out of my mouth. Can you imagine pulling a tooth out of a child's mouth, dog? Just to prove that it was a tooth. Fucking stupid. Cause trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. Trying to figure out, am I gonna go to the store, get some more coconut oil, some bleach for my clothes. Even though I just washed my clothes, I'm not in a rush for that. But I was gonna take back these dog bones. My dog is not touching these dog bones. Frey. I did have a craving to go swimming today. I was actually like looking for places. I was trying to call gyms. I just maybe some stuff closed down because of COVID. So I'm like, what the frick? I ain't sweating. Just got done studying this 10x challenge. I'm still doing stuff. I was supposed to catch up from a day before, but the connection was messing up. I mean, I just took it as a sequence in order to get back in the lab, in order to get real in tune myself, study, crack, get some rest. Shoot, it seems like I got more energy now, so I don't know what a nigga gonna do. I think I gotta do something else. But I just can't say that to you because, there's no videos on this thing talking about cramps. There's no YouTube videos about dry fast talking about cramps. There's no YouTube videos talking about... Because y'all saw I had to treat myself because I had a cramp. Y'all saw that. There's no videos of that teaching you how to heal yourself from a cramp. There's no videos of them talking about you having growing pains. What the frick are they talking about? And all these fake ass health gurus, they're not really helping people. They're not showing the inner perspective. Some people saying they doing this stuff, but dog, I don't know. I done a lot of fasts, bro. This has been a challenging one. Day 6 really had it on me. Day 6 really had it on me, man. It's 7 now. It's a lot easier. I'm just waiting for this stuff to go, nigga. I'm just waiting for this stuff to go. I wanted to do 7 because I saw a certain person who has a big notoriety, big following. They did it, and they're not so. And I'm gonna keep it a buck. They're not so. They're not all the way there. Even with the dialogue, the choice of vernacular, and message too. They're not all the way there, but they got a lot of people that follow them, whatever. We're not giving out free promo because you say one, you talk about a ton. Oh, somebody put that on a t-shirt. This is cold water, by the way. It's a little cold. I'm about to get some more. And, they did 7, and it was just like, I can do more than that, especially this person. So here's, I'm doing more than 7 days right now. So, yep. I was gonna keep going, but I had another person say, "Oh, you shouldn't do that because of this." I gotta do what the frick I gotta do. I've had people tell me that, "Oh, your mouth is dry because it is." Oh, because I still brushing my mouth and whatnot. Hygiene. Even when I'm doing this dry fast, but other than that, I ain't drinking nothing. Ain't eating nothing. So, uh, you gotta dry. I'm like, what the frick you think is gonna happen with a dry fast? Your mouth isn't gonna get dry. Come the frick on. People trying to deter me. I appreciate those that supporting. Show support. I'm gonna say this again. Shout out to ASE Bliss, Acai Bliss on Instagram. Make sure you go follow him. Big up to the brother DJ Gambler, the best DJ in the whole UK, showing support. Big up to the Konos Empire, showing love on this thing. Big up to those showing love. You feel me? People. They just got so many misconceptions or whatever about health. And it's just clear, even about the internet, dog. Y'all see on the search, they ain't talk about this stuff that I'm talking to you about. I'm serious because I didn't search it. I was looking for answers. Couldn't find none, nigga. But lucky y'all got Healing Through Inspiration for y'all. So y'all can get some answers from me. But if y'all got more answers and more questions, y'all can get them answers by booking a one-on-one consultation. Just DM us on Instagram at Healing Through Inspiration. If you're not following us there already, go ahead and do that. Get up with our business cards, give it our one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop, as well as at our amazing American apparel. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. Daily uploads. We still got to come in, even though YouTube has still been deleting our content because we've been having daily uploads. And if you see a gap, it's because YouTube deleted it. Yeah, I don't even want to say the title because I don't want to get this video taken away from it. Hey, but if y'all been keeping up with it, y'all know. That's why I be telling y'all, hit the bell notification. Hit the bell notification so y'all can see the junk as soon as it upload, because I don't know when YouTube going to snatch it, when it's not. And they got another thing, like you can't just re-upload it again because it says inappropriate for whatever bullcrap ass excuse. I don't even want to go into that because they going to try to take some other stuff down. But yeah, like I said, if y'all really appreciate this, go ahead and like it. Like it. Hit like it, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and share. This is how you help us grow. If you want to grow yourself, book a consultation. Stop just watching us. Because you've been watching us about for too freaking long. You got to do some change in your life. Book a consultation. Let's go to We're About Growth. You see what the frick we doing. We putting ourselves how vulnerable we are in front of the whole wide world to see. For those who want to make it better, want to make a change. You want to talk about it? How about you live it? You want to live it? Get with the links in the description box. Peace, love, and light.